Understanding Fiber Analysis, an English Learning Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of material science and forensics: fiber analysis. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we're going to break it down in a simple and engaging way. Let's get started and unravel the mystery of fiber analysis together. Fiber analysis is the study and examination of fibers in various materials. It plays a crucial role in fields like textile manufacturing and forensic science. In this section, we will explore what fibers are and the basics of how they are analyzed. Fibers are tiny threads or filaments that can come from natural sources, like cotton or wool, or synthetic sources, like nylon or polyester. Analyzing these fibers helps in identifying their source, characteristics, and uses. Fiber analysis is not just about looking at threads under a microscope. It has real-world applications that impact our daily lives. For instance, in forensic science, fiber analysis can be crucial in solving crimes. Traces of fibers can link a suspect to a crime scene. In the textile industry, understanding fiber properties ensures quality control and helps in creating better products. Here, we delve into how experts actually analyze fibers. The process typically involves several steps. 1. Collection, gathering fiber samples from various sources. 2. Examination, using microscopes to study the fiber's properties. 3. Identification, determining the fiber type, whether it's natural or synthetic. 4. Comparison, matching fibers from different sources to find similarities or differences. 5. Reporting, documenting findings for use in industrial or legal contexts. In this section, we'll look at some interesting case studies and stories where fiber analysis played a key role. From solving high-profile criminal cases to innovating new textile products, the impact of fiber analysis is far-reaching and truly fascinating. And that wraps up our journey into the world of fiber analysis. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing subject and shown you how seemingly small things like fibers can have big implications in various fields. Remember, the world of English learning is vast and full of interesting topics like this one. Keep exploring and stay curious. See you in the next video.